Ecologica has changed my life. You know, for the past 3 years, everyone always stops me and says, your skin, your skin, your skin. And I get compliments left and right. Every makeup artist is always complimenting me about my skin. What do I use? What do you do? And it's just really changed my life. You know, everywhere I go, it's like your skin. They ask me, what do you use? They want to use the same products. So I should say it really has changed my life. I get a lot of attention.
Oh, I won't use anybody else's creams on my face. And I've only used the products that Vicki has recommended for me over these last 13 years. And so when she decided to formulate her own, I was very excited. I really thought this would be great because she's using all of her expertise, years and years of trying different products and finding the perfect combination for her own clients, and then adding her own touches to it, creating her own cream. I really trusted that. In the Ecologica system, Vicki has a product called the Eye Protective Serum. And for someone in their 30s, I'm really concerned about crow's feet and lines around my eyes. And this is absorbent. It absorbs into the skin. It's very smooth, very soft. It's not cakey. And the smell is wonderful. I've passed it on to a number of my friends, and I've got them in the habit.
I use in the Ecological series White Oak Cleanser, and I love it. In fact, my 2 boys, when they became teenagers, they started using it. They are still using it, and my son in college, every time he comes home, he picks up a new container and uses it at school.
Right after I used the Eco Peel, my skin felt wonderful. I took it off, and I had a kind of a tingly, glowing feeling. My face felt really, really smooth. I felt like, you know, I didn't even need to wear makeup, and that's a great feeling. I was never finding the exact thing that I wanted out of a product. And now with Ecologica, the search is over.
I don't have dry skin anymore. My husband even likes me without makeup, which is really nice. I mean, I feel like I can go out during the day without makeup, and really no one will even notice it. After an Eco Peel, my face feels wonderful. It's very clean, it radiates, it has shine to it, it's very soft. When I go to put on my foundation, it smooths right on. It just makes you feel good. In fact, you really want to do it more often because it does make it feel so nice. Now that I can do it at home, it's heaven. It is just heaven.
I love every product that I've tried. The eye cream is phenomenal, and Vicki's products really, they cleanse well. The white oak bark, the extract from the white oak bark, cleans your skin very thoroughly, very gently, very effectively. So wherever I go, wherever I travel, I try to take her products with me. In fact, I do. I do better than try. I take them. Vicki, I'd like to personally thank you for your integrity, for your honesty, and for the purity of your product. And I thank you on behalf of my whole family who loves you and who uses your product. Thank you so much for making my life simpler.
I worked internationally as a model with all the big agencies. I was with Ford. It is very important for me that there are natural ingredients in the cream. It makes me feel good, you know, that it's something that's natural. I get compliments. I mean, when I get my makeup done for my show, very often makeup artists go, oh my God, your skin is really nice. And I go, yeah, how old are you, you know? And then I'm really proud to say, yes, I'm 32. It's not a problem. Christy Brinkley is a friend of mine, and she always said, I don't have a problem telling people that I'm 40. I tell them right away, because they go, no way, you 40? You know? And so I converted a lot of girlfriends, too. And they really liked it, and they tried it, and they loved it. That soapless cleanser is amazing. It's really good. And, you know, so... No, it's wonderful. I really think that the price is incredible. Vicki, I do want to tell you that I absolutely love your products. I really, really do. It has improved my looks. It has improved my self-confidence. I do look much better now than I actually looked 3 years ago. And it's really due to Ecologica, and it's due to these wonderful peels that I will never, ever give up, and I will fly in from anywhere to have them. I really want to say thank you to Ecologica, and I'm going to convert all my girlfriends to this because I've been asked so many times about my skin and how everything looks, so I definitely will tell them to see you and to come and buy this, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to convert my mother because she really needs it badly. So thank you very much. Merci beaucoup.